guys, in this tutorial we are going to be painting this super cute Easter basket. It is one of our paint by line products. As you can see, all of the lines are already etched into the product, and I'm simply going to go inside the lines and paint them the colors I want. So right now I'm painting the Easter basket. It is a color called Plum Crazy. All of the paint I'm using today are Dixie Belle paints, which can be purchased on our website, buildacross.com. I'm using a variety of colors for the eggs. The light blue was Vintage Duck Egg. The second was Pure Ocean. The light pink was Soft Pink. And this hot pink is called Peony. And this green is Limeade. The purple is Amethyst. And the last one is Florida Orange. I know that was a lot of different colors and a lot of different names, so if you need to go back and listen to those again, please do so. And now I'm painting the bow, the Pure Ocean blue color, and the grass I'm painting evergreen. Now I'm going to begin to fill in all of the lines that are etched into the product. I'm doing this by using a detailed 00 brush and some black paint that I have slightly watered down. The black paint by Dixie Belle is called Caviar. And this really starts to give the product a more defined look. Everything starts popping out. You can see the separation. I'm going to do the detailing on the bow. Again, all I'm doing is following the lines that are already here. So I'm not making up any of this on my own. It's already been thought out for me. And I'm just filling it in. After I complete all of the outlines, filling them in, I'm going to take a painter's paint marker and I'm going to go around the entire outside edge. This completes the lines that I've already done on the inside. Now we're going to go beyond the lines and we're going to add accent colors. These are things that are not etched into the product. I'm using white with the same detailed brush, and I'm beginning to accent the basket. I'm staying on one side of each little square and on the bottom. That way it looks like the sun's hitting it from one direction. As you can see with the accents, it really starts to come alive and look like a basket. We're going to accent the grass, and I'm just kind of following the blades of grass that are already there and giving them a little accent, and that helps them stand out more. Now I'm going to give all of the eggs a little accent, and I'm going to come back and accent the bow with white. This paint by line product can be purchased on our website in the shape section in the category paint by line. Now I'm going to give a little detail to the handle of the basket, and we are done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.